Introducing the Mika 595-liter AI Inverter Fridge. Spacious, smart and built for freshness. Enjoy a 10-year inverter warranty and a 3-star energy rating for efficient cooling. Open it up to discover 3 independently controlled zones for flexible storage. No frost technology prevents ice buildup, while multi-airflow keeps cooling even. Plus, enjoy a free wine rack and cool pack. The built-in water dispenser gives you cold water anytime. More space, smarter cooling, more freshness.